Welcome to this video on weathering presented by MoonDust eLearning.
We'll take you on a journey of learning where you will understand weathering in the environment, including mechanical, which is also known as physical weathering, chemical weathering, and climatic weathering.
Weathering is the process that breaks rocks down into smaller fragments. First, let's talk about mechanical weathering. Mechanical weathering breaks rocks apart without changing their chemical composition. An example is tree roots forcing rocks apart as they grow. Burrowing animals break up rocks as they dig. Ice wedging occurs when freezing water forces rock apart. Next, let's talk about chemical weathering. Chemical weathering is the process in which rocks and minerals are changed into altered solids, solutions, and precipitates. Chemical weathering occurs when water, air, and other substances react with minerals and rock. Forms of chemical weathering include acids and carbonic acid, which react with minerals and rock. Plant acids dissolve minerals and rock. Oxidation occurs when metals and rocks react with oxygen. In this example, magnetite plus oxygen creates hematite. The mineral magnetite, which contains little oxygen, extracts oxygen from the atmosphere to form the new mineral, hematite. In turn, hematite plus water creates limonite. Iron plus oxygen is an inorganic compound called iron oxide or ferrous oxide. Rust is a red oxide that results with a chemical reaction between iron and O2. Let's take a minute to talk about climatic weathering. Weathering can occur in the following climates: cold, wet, warm, and dry. Warm, wet climates, such as tropical forests, encourage chemical weathering. Cold, wet climates favor mechanical weathering, such as forming ice wedges. The absence of water in dry climates such as deserts hinder weathering. For example, a metal shovel will rust more slowly in the desert than in the rainforest. Climates that alternate between heat and cold may also weaken rocks. Other forces that break down rock include glaciers, waves, waterfalls, and rivers.
Now you have learned about weathering, including mechanical, chemical, and climatic weathering. Be sure to visit the Teachers Pay Teachers website at the URL shown here for accompanying worksheets, quizzes, and other exciting lessons.